Now we're going to look at how to connect up a lux sensor or a light level sensor to do daylight saving. So we're going to connect it to a light and set a threshold. So you can see in this example we have a room with 4 lights, each of which is connected in a group, and they're all controlled via one light switch. But the 2 lights on the outside, which are nearest the windows, we want to connect those to a daylight sensor so that when the light level outside reaches a certain threshold, the lights will turn off and save energy. And you can see that this light level sensor here is already controlling the light on the right hand side, and that light is actually turned off. You can see it's turned off by the black colour, and that's because its threshold is set such that at this point it will be off. So to use the same principle on the left hand light, we'll go into manager mode, we'll click on the sensor, click on the light, and then that creates a virtual connection between the two. But as yet the light is still on. So what we're going to do, we'll go into user mode. If we want to set thresholds, we need to be in user mode. We'll click on the light, and you can see that at the moment this slider shows that the threshold is set to 100%, which means the light will always be on if the switch is on. If I hover over the light sensor, I can see that the light sensor is currently at 56%, which is a reasonably bright day, maybe not sunny, but quite bright. So at this point in my room, I will decide that 56% is good enough for that light on the left-hand side to be off. So I'm currently selected on the light. I will now grab the slider and turn it down. 64, 56%, and now the light goes off. So now, if the light level were to drop by a small amount, that light would then turn on, provided the switch is on. So for that light to come on, both the light switch needs to be active and the sensor needs to be below or at the threshold that the light is set to. And that's how you use a light sensor and the thresholds. In a future revision of software, these threshold settings will also be set for dimming levels when using DALI equipped lights.